Hi there, today I'm reviewing my Logitech ERGO K860 wireless keyboard. I have one at home, and now I just ordered one at work because I've been carrying it back and forth. I thought I liked the one I had at work, but after using this, I like this one so much better. I started developing some carpal tunnel type symptoms a couple years ago, and I just wanted something that was a little easier on my wrists. And I love this. I love that it's not just hard plastic. I don't know what the material is. It's almost between a plastic and a material. And it's curved, so it just goes with your natural natural way that you want to put your wrists down, or that you should put your wrists down for ergonomic purposes. Anyway, it's got all the key functions up at the top, and it's got pictures on them, so you like ideas like what you can use them for, and just reminders of what all these shortcuts are, which I love because I always forget. Just enough extra keys to make it super helpful, but not overwhelming. And just more importantly, it's just really comfortable and easy on my wrists. And this is definitely going to be my keyboard now at home and in the office. This is hands down the best one I've ever had.